Choosing the best Westpac savings account depends on identifying the option that delivers the strongest mix of interest, accessibility, and long-term value. Westpac offers a range of savings products, but the standout choice for most people is the Westpac Life account. It combines competitive bonus interest with simple conditions that reward consistent saving habits. This account lets you earn higher interest each month when you grow your balance and keep it above zero, making it ideal for anyone building structured savings. The account also includes savings goals and tracking tools inside the Westpac app, helping you break your balance into categories like emergency funds, travel savings, or long-term projects without needing separate accounts. For people aged 18 to 29, Westpac offers the Westpac Life Youth Bonus Saver. This version delivers an even higher bonus rate designed to support younger savers who want strong returns early. It works similarly to the standard Life account but gives access to a premium interest tier that increases your earning potential when you meet the monthly growth conditions. It is one of the most rewarding youth-focused savings accounts in the Australian market, especially for consistent monthly depositors. Those looking for a simple, flexible option without bonus rules can consider the Westpac eSaver. It offers an introductory interest rate for new customers during the opening months, allowing you to earn more while maintaining full access to your funds. This is suitable for short-term saving or for anyone who prefers an account without monthly balance growth requirements. If the goal is long-term saving with maximum interest, Westpac Life remains the strongest overall option. If short-term flexibility matters, the eSaver provides straightforward value. For younger customers, the Youth Bonus Saver delivers the highest potential return. With clear conditions and strong digital features, these accounts make Westpac an effective choice for focused, structured saving.